Claude Code meets AI Setter. It's basically an AI agent that you can use to turn your IG DMs, IG comments, IG leads into booked calls on your Google Calendar. I created 80% of this whiteboard with Claude. I'm going to show you my prompt. I'm going to show you the code that Claude generated for me that I could embed into Figma to create this beautiful whiteboard. And I'm going to show you this AI Setter funnel that's going to turn your Instagram leads into booked calls through this series of objectives and qualification, so you can make a bunch of money and you can fire your entire setter team. If you are a coach or a content creator and you have a bunch of people on your Instagram, whether you run organic content and you get a lot of IG DMs or a lot of IG comments, maybe people opting in for lead magnet, or you are forced to set your money on fire and run meta ads to kind of achieve the same outcome. Or even, I forgot to add here, if you get a lot of new followers, we can actually use ManyChat's new feature to automatically reach out to these followers and turn them into IG DMs when they reply. If you generate leads with one of these methods and your goal is to turn these leads into booked calls on your calendar so you can close them, then this video is for you and we're going to go through each step right now. Now, after the lead was generated, the AI setter turns on the laser and takes over the entire conversation. And what it does is, when the conversation starts, the AI just handles the entire DM setting process by itself, and it usually brings people through this series of objectives. Obviously, at the beginning, we want to ask what are their goals. This needs to match your offer as well. Just for the reason of simplicity, I put a fitness example in here. Everybody wants to look like GigaChat, so that are their goals. The AI uncovers that, and then it asks about what their challenge is, how long they've been struggling with those, what have they tried in the past. Oh, I'm fat. Oh, I'm lazy. Oh, I'm not consistent. Oh, I don't know what to eat, but I want to look like GigaChat. And of course, we want to do a round of qualification as well, because we don't want to let just anyone book a call. And we have two options for qualification. And this depends a lot on where your leads are coming from. If you run organic, you will probably see that 90% of your leads come from India, third world countries, a lot of unqualified people. So for these guys, we can qualify based on age, location, or job. So this is a smooth way at the beginning of the conversation to determine, is the person under 18 years old? Then there's going to be disqualified. Is the person from a third world country, enthusiastic Indian who wants to jump on a call and has 2,000 rupiah to invest? We can disqualify them. Or in terms of job, if they are a college student or unemployed, we can smoothly disqualify them as well. Now, if you run ads and your audience is mainly qualified and you just want to make sure that they actually have the money before hopping on a call, the AI can do more direct qualification and ask, do they have a certain budget set aside, or are they in a certain income range that qualifies them for your high ticket product? And even you can do both. So you can do option one somewhere at the beginning of the conversation right here. And then we can even do option two right before inviting them for a call. I'm going to get into this later. Regardless, these are the options that the AI can do to qualify people and only let people who have the money to hop on a call with you. Now, after the qualification, obviously we create some urgency. Why do people want to make a change now? Why is it important for them? Come on, let's take action. And then we invite them for a call, book them in, and we use conversational booking right now instead of sending a Calendly link. The AI is connected with the Google Calendar, sees the availability, and just offers times. And when the person picks a time, gives their email address, then the AI literally puts the sales call on the calendar, sends a notification to the setter or a VA or even the business owner himself to maybe verify the lead, look through the conversation a little bit, qualify a little bit more if needed, and then of course add to CRM, which is for now mainly Go High Level is what we use. Add the tag, create a smart list with the calls booked, and then maybe even connect to ManyChat if that's what you use, but mainly it's GHL. So that's what the AI setter does. That's the whole conversation it runs. And actually, if you want to try how this AI would work in real life, take your phone out right now, message me on Instagram at martonfur, my link is in the description, and text me the keyword start demo. And this will activate an AI setter demo exactly in this structure. So you can try out how it is talking to an AI setter, how it qualifies you, how it tries to book you in for a call. You're going to act like a lead and you can try how the AI is going to actually book you in for a call. One more thing that we actually started doing, I might do a little thing here. So what we do is if people get disqualified here or here, and we don't want to just turn the AI off, we can actually sell a low ticket product in the DMs with a DM closer that's going to pitch the product, follow up, objection handle, and close the deal. So at least there is a downsell there. So that's a new thing that we actually started doing right now. And finally, let me show you how I used Claude to generate this beautiful whiteboard. So I'm going to go into my Claude right now, and I'm going to show you the actual prompt that I use. I just used WhisperFlow to yap out this little prompt here. Hey, give me an embedded Figma plugin code to illustrate the following steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. And then this is for my AI setter. Look up my other chats to get some context. Boom. And then I just asked, how do I embed this to Figma? It told me what plugin, what things to use. The plugin that I'm using here is going to be plugin and this run API, run plugin API. This is super easy to access. It's free. You can just run it into your Figma. I opened it now. And then Claude generated me the embeddable code. So I just copy this code, go back here, paste, and then run the code. And it literally generated me this nice whiteboard. Now, for my videos, I prefer whiteboards that go from left to right. So let me just delete this, go back to Claude, and I simply asked, can you make this go from left to right? And then change the order of call to action and qualification round 2. And then boom, of course, there's the code. I copy it, go back to Figma, delete this previous code, paste, and then run. And then boom, there's the core of my whiteboard. Now, of course, I added a lot more sauce onto it. Of course, I added a lot more sauce, a lot more memes and stuff, but this made it so much faster and easier for me to get started with this whiteboard. The foundation is already done, and I just need to add the memes on it. And again, just message me, start demo on my Instagram at @martinfur. Try out this AI, see how it works, and you're gonna be amazed how human it already sounds and how cool things it can already do. Yeah, so guys, if you didn't like this video, I don't know what you're doing here at the end. Don't watch my other videos, don't subscribe, don't like, don't comment. And if not, see you in the other videos. Cheers.